just started changing, and I thought that you are heaven. Ended up to be a headache. Then you told me before that you will never change anything. I have trusted you all the way, but you left me all alone. You don't know, because of you I had a severe electro and also insomnia the moment that you had for me. If I will be in love again, I hope she's no longer like you, just like you who have a stony heart. Wherever you are today, listen to this song I'm singing. Maybe this can wake you up and soften your heart feeling. You don't know, because of you I had a severe electro and also insomnia the moment that you had for me. If I will be in love again, I hope she's no longer like you, just like you have a stony heart. You don't know, because of you I had a severe electro and also insomnia the moment that you had for me. If I will be in love again, I hope she's no longer like you, just like you who have a stony heart. You don't know, because of you I had a severe electro and also insomnia the moment that you had for me. If I will be in love again, I hope she's no longer like you, just like you have a stony heart, just like you have a stony heart.
Nag-emote yung nasa tabi, oh. Dalerma, oh. Naiyak ko nga rin, bakla, naiyak-iyak ka dyan.
Nakabidyo ba yan?
Oo. Darma, wag mong damdamin. Nagalaw. Steady ko lang. Ang ganda ni Sholan. Oh my God, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let you know, but you can be sure I'm yours for always. And ganda-ganda na Sholan. Isa din doon ang emote nila. Sige bakla, para ka lang lasing.
Mark and I.
3.
Naka-play na yan?
Oo.
Oh, sorry.
Hoy, don't touch daw. Hindi kita si Lerma. Dumikit ka kay Sholan, mali.
Gagawa. Hindi ka pa makakain ng lagay na yan, ha?
Yan na, yan na. Modeling na. Hala, pinatay ni... Ay, sorry.
Wala ka.
Saglit lang, huwag ka muna ang... Ala, layo.
Ulitin.
Ayoko, tikat-tikat. Anong emotion ba? Hindi ako magaling mag-project talaga.
Ulit.
Ray! Dali! Naka-90s kami sa minute lang.
Ay, naka-record. Ay, naka-record. Ay, naka-record. Ano na?
Sige, so tuloy mo yung meron kang hinihigop na ano.
Ano na masarap yan, no?
Kasi nga, tagal na hindi tayo kumakain. Tagal na hindi tayo kumakain.
Kasi na araw-araw.
Mamaya ka.
Ano pa?
Cute naman, cute ka naman eh.
Kasi nga nakalikod.
O yan. Play mo Risa kapag ka.
Teka muna.
Naka-play na nga yan eh.
Huwag kang tumatikot.
Oh, sige. Saglit lang ah.
Teka muna, di ba papogs kasi?
Ah, dali. Hawakan mo ngayon. Pakita mo sa akin. Tapos sumimangot ka. Umarap ka dito. Okay. Picture naman to. Ayun na, dali.
Play na yan?
Oo, dali na.
7:51 na.
Saan to ano?
Naka-play na?
Saan to i-off?
I-stop mo ng ganun muna.
Ah, sige.
Play na yan?
Oo.
Naka-play na yan?
Oo. Cut mo na lang.
Okay na?
Saglit lang. Itago mo muna, Lerma, yung ulo mo. Hindi kita.
Ulitin. O sige.
Saglit lang. May tao eh. 1, 2, 3. Labas. Game na nga eh. Oh, game.
Let's go. Papakinan mo.
1, 2, 3, game. Cut mo na lang to.
Ay, baliktad.
Oh, harap. Taas. Okay na yan.
Di ba?